Hello everyone. Today I am going to introduce one of the best-selling case for Samsung Galaxy A51. Otterbox cases are one of the best cases in the world in terms of providing durability. Otterbox Defender series. Worry less while you're working, adventuring and living when you defend your device against drops, dirt and scrapes. Combining a solid internal shell with a resilient outer slip cover, Defender Series Screenless Edition deflects the action and accidents that come your way every day. Plus, the included holster doubles as a kickstand for hands-free viewing. Defender Series Screenless Edition, because life happens. It provides a high-level protection. Belt clip, horizontal mode stand. It is compatible with Samsung Galaxy A51. Provides multi-layer defense BQs of solid inner shell and soft outer cover. It includes belt clip holster that doubles as a kickstand for hands-free media viewing. Ports are covered which keeps out dust and debris. Here are some reviews from the customers who purchases these covers. Now, let's move towards Ottorbox Lite series. It does not come with a screen protector. Soft inner and hard outer layers absorb and deflect impacts. It is not having port covers, so open access to ports and speakers. Thin profile slips in and out of pockets. Commuter Series Lite helps you stay on the go with a thin, compact design that fits into any pocket for quick access. Featuring Otterbox Drop Plus protection and 2 tough layers, a soft internal slip cover and hard exterior shell. Commuter Series Lite keeps your phone safe from daily drops and bumps. Here are some reviews from the customers who purchases these covers. If you like any product, link is given in the description for more information and purchasing. Thank you.